How to make money on Outlier.ea. What if you could boost your revenue by spotting hiding opportunities and avoiding costly mistakes automatically? Outlier.ea helps businesses turn data into dollars by identifying critical trends and anomalies in real time. Learn how you can start earning more with less effort by leveraging the power of EA. Don't miss out on the chance to grow your profits with our guide now. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I will show you how you can earn money on Outlier.ea. So first of all I have to do is open my browser and dive into Outlier.ea. So this is the homepage. As you can see, I have your various information here, and if you scroll down also we have here some questions like what is Outlier. So Outlier.ea is data analytics platform that leverage artificial intelligence to detect critical changes and anomalies within businesses data. It is designed to help companies identify unexpected patterns and relationships in their data, offering actionable insights that can improve customer experience and drive business growth. The platform integrates with various data sources such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Amazon Redshifts, allowing for comprehensive analysis. So that's what is Outlier. So in the home page here we have fake here, we have login, and we have view opportunity. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over login. So if you want to find your account, all you have to do is write your email address and your password and you log in. But if you want to sign up, so all you have to do is click over sign up and write your personal information, and then you get started with Outlier. If you come back to the home page here, we have various things like view opportunities here. So let's click on overview opportunities, and we have here a lot of jobs. You can search about your job and then you select it. You have your coders, you can see generalist, languages also, again, quality assurance specialist, and we have the last page here. So to make money using Outlier.ea, businesses can harness the platform's powerful AI-driven insights to identify hidden opportunities, optimize operations, prevent losses, and improve decision-making. First, by analyzing sales trends and customer behavior, Outlier.ea can uncover emerging opportunities such as identifying which products or services are gaining popularity or which customer segments are most profitable, enabling targeted marketing and sales efforts. Additionally, the platform helps optimize operations by detecting anomalies in cost data or inefficiencies in supply chains, leading to cost reduction and improved profit margins. Inventory management also benefits as demand patterns can be analyzed to maintain optimal stock levels, avoiding the costs associated with overstocking stockouts. Furthermore, Outlier.ea aids in preventing losses by identifying unusual transactions that might indicate fraud and spotting early signs of customer churn, allowing business to take proactive measures to retain customers and maintain revenue. Finally, the insights provided by Outlier.ea support data-driven and decision-making, ensuring that business strategies are informed by accurate real-time data, ultimately leading to more effective and profitable outcomes. So let's come back to the homepage. We have your various information here, like we have the first thing, shift the next generation of EA with your expertise. Then we have here share your, and you have here 40,000 here experts, 100 million paid out, and you have 3.4 million assignments. If you scroll down, you have share your expertise and get paid working where and when you want. Share your knowledge here, everyone's expert at something. Share your expertise and help make EA more human. Then connect with fellow experts. Join our community to work alongside like-minded experts in your domain. Get paid on your terms, earn competitive pay, while enjoying the flexibility to work where and when you want. Then we have here type a community of innovators. Our EA trainers come from all backgrounds and have expertise in everything from organic chemistry to creative writing. From the first thing here, journalists, math, chemistry, law, history, coding, data science, and more than 30 other expert domains. Then if we scroll down, we have Bowling Grace EA is correct. AI training is overpowering. Create your account and try a simple task in your area of expertise. The first thing we have is rating and ranking. Rating or ranking assignments as contributors to identify the best model responses out of two or more options until the content is high quality enough to be accepted in a review process. Contributors may also be asked to justify their selection in relation to specific criteria or factors. Then we have open rewrite. With an open rewrite, assignments experts provide a starting point or a specific context for an EA model to expand upon. These prompts can vary with depending on the desired output and the task at hand. Watching prompts can be simple sentences, questions, or descriptions meant to elicit a response from the EA model. Then we have the last one, it's multimodal. Multimodal assignments help train models generate and classify information from multiple modalities, including images, audio, or video. For example, experts might train the model to generate a story or a description based on a visual content. Also here we have some comments of people that already worked with Outlier. So we have worked with some fakes like about Outlier here. So what is Outlier? Outlier is a platform that connects subject matter experts to help build the world's most advanced generative AI. Then we have getting started here. This is the purpose of Outlier's onboarding. How long does the onboarding take? Will I get paid for the onboarding process? What does the onboarding process look like? And then we have a qualification. Can I bring some friends too? What is your selection process? How are resumes evaluated? What qualifications do we need? And then if you scroll down, we have payments here. Are these opportunities to earn more? How will be paid? How much will I be paid? Then if you scroll down, you have here hours. How long will this opportunity last? Can I do this work in addition to another part-time or full-time opportunity? Then we have how much time should I expect to work? And if we scroll down, also we have your join us in making a lasting impact of EA on EA. Then we have your some terms of use, community guidelines, privacy policy, working location policy. Then we have cookies policy, and last thing we have data processing, and then the So making money on Outlier and EA involves participating in projects that help train and refine EA models. Contributors work with independent contractors and can choose how many hours they want to work each week, making it flexible for different schedule. Pay is competitive and is based on the complexity of the tasks. Your qualification and your performance payments is typically made weekly via PayPal or other methods. Additionally, some projects may offer rewards for completing important programs or for exceptional performance, which can increase earnings. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.